Our group is Monday 12 and I am Anannay. This is Sahil, Apoorva and Dhatri. So our project is reflow hot plate for soldering SMD components. We present you MAGMA.
So this is a soldering reflow hot plate. The main purpose of this is to solder and desolder SMD components. SMD components are very minute resistances and capacitances, which you can see here. This is the display and this is a rotary encoder. So basically this acts like a knob. You can rotate this and you can iterate over the main menu. So I am selecting one of these. The different menu options symbolify what type of solder paste you are using. So I am selecting a high melting point option. A curve is drawn which is temperature versus time, and here you can see the current temperature of the hot plate. The soldering will happen on this plate. There is a start button and there is a save option. So again, by rotating the knob, you can select any of these options. Basically, these are the coordinates of these 4 points. So basically, this whole graph is customizable and you can change any of these values. So for example, I select one of these and I will reduce this to, let's say, 125, and when you press it again, the curve will redraw itself. This is about the overall display, and finally what you can do is go to the start button and just press it. So, and when you press the start button, the soldering / desoldering starts. Here you can see the region in which the profile is, and this is an approximately a 5-minute curve. So the process takes about 5 minutes. This is what we have. Yeah.